Welcome to 109 East Randolph Street. This property is currently being used as a convent, but would be perfect for an adult care center or other residential type program facility. The property has been very well maintained and is extremely clean and immaculate on the inside and outside. We will walk over to the east side of the house here. We will see one air conditioning compressor unit on this side. Now we'll go back over to the west side of the house. Many perennials in the gardens. Flowers beginning to come up. And there are two air conditioning compressor units on this side of the property. Get a little close up there. You can see that they're covered and have been maintained. Now we'll come around to the back side. We have the entrance here off of the east side. And then we have the last air conditioning compressor unit on the back here. Now that you've seen the outside of the property, please check out our other videos on 109 East Randolph Street for a tour of the inside of the property. Thank you for joining us today, and please let me know if you have any additional interests or questions.